In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can add a border around the picture in Adobe Illustrator. So first, select the picture you want to use by going to File and then going to Place, or using Shift-Control-Command-P, or just dragging the picture into your document. And the picture can be linked or embedded, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to resize it using my Shift key, like this. And then I can use the top toolbar to align it to my canvas. Now, in Illustrator, you can't really just add a border around your picture. You have to select this picture, and then on top here, you can choose to make a mask. And when you've chosen to make a mask, you can add a stroke here. So let's say we want a yellow border. You choose a color, and then here you can choose the size of your stroke. And now you have added a border around your picture. If you're not happy with the color or size, you can also go to Properties here. If it isn't visible, you can go to Window and then choose Properties. And here in Properties, you can change the color if you want to. And also the size. And also, if you click Stroke here, you can choose that you want a rounded corner instead of a mitered corner here. And then just keep in mind, because you have added a mask, I can move this around with my normal selection tool, but when I use my direct selection tool and I click on my picture, I can then move the picture separately from the mask. So keep in mind to use your normal selection tool if you want to move this around. And also, because it's a mask, when you change the size of your picture using the Shift key, your border will change along with it. And that's an easy way to add a border around a picture in Adobe Illustrator. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.